All right, so you guys, we read over the passage about clouds, okay? Now, just to summarize and to give you a visual, because some of these words I know were a little tricky, okay? So, when you look up in the sky, okay, some of the things that we may see as a plane, stars, okay, we may see some other clouds. Can you think of anything else you may see in the sky? Marcus?
A jet.
A jet, yes, that's correct. Ezra?
Rocket ship.
Rocket ship, yes. If it's a very clear day, here, let me, Ari?
Plane.
Planes, yes, moving fast. And
The
Marcus?
moon.
And the moon, okay, and the sky. So in addition to just clouds, we could see many other things. Ezra, what else?
Sun.
And the sun, but we don't want to look directly, but we know it's up there.
And I can still see
I know.
Why can't we look at the sun?
It's gonna make our eyes.
It'll burn your eyes,
Yeah.
the retinas and all that good
You're
stuff.
looking directly at a beam of light. It's like a laser at your eye.
So you want to hold off that. Okay.
Fiery stars.
You guys, here's your picture of your serious clouds, okay? All right. Now, we summarized, okay, with our card pyramid the other day. All right. What was the title? What did we say?
Clouds.
Clouds, okay? All right, so we had that. What was our main idea for the sentence? Marcus? It's okay. Just off the top of your head, what would you say is the main idea of the passage?
Oh, different clouds and what are clouds?
Yes. Okay, very good. All right, so this is just reference.
Okay.
All right, now, I want to give you a visual, okay? This is the Sirius clouds. You can use your passage, but Sirius, this was one of the supporting ideas. Now, what is the detail, okay? What did they describe it
Oh,
as?
that's it.
Yeah, how did they describe the Sirius cloud?
Wait.
Are curly white clouds made out of drops of ice?
There you go. Okay, so we had our supporting idea, and then we had our detail. Okay, now just to backtrack, if we were going to number, the cloud is number 1.
The main idea is number 2.
Yep, so that's our number 2. And we number them, okay, not only to organize our thoughts, but in case the cards get displaced in our pencil pouch, then we know how to put them back in order. All right, number 3 is our Sirius clouds. Even though I don't feel like this is really as curly as they could be, okay? But
It is curly.
keep in mind, all right? And
It's
then this
really
is
straight.
4, aren't they? Aren't
Yeah.
they? I'm gonna get another picture next time. All right, and these are our curly clouds that are made of ice droplets. Okay, do you recall the next cloud that we discussed in the paragraph packet? Passage.
I remember. It was straight clouds.
Okay, so we now have our stratus clouds. Okay, now this is the land. Okay,
God.
there's some mountains, but you guys, the clouds here are so low, it almost looks like the mountains are up in the sky. Okay, because what's the definition of a stratus cloud?
Oh, low down.
Very low to the ground. Okay.
Wait, so is it basically just fog?
Yes. Yes, but when you're talking science, you have to give it a very technical name that's difficult to respond.
How does it happen?
The clouds get very heavy, usually with moisture, and they move down to the earth. And that's the reason why you'll see them in the morning.
I remember having
late
a
in the
stratus
evening.
cloud.
Okay, what did you remember?
I remember when I was walking to school, and I was walking, there was stratus clouds.
Yes,
just
there was.
everywhere. I was like, dang, I couldn't see. I'm like, windshield wipers.
Yeah, so it was very foggy. Go on and sit down. Okay, yeah, so it was very foggy. So it just means the clouds are heavy with moisture, but usually when the sun comes out, it's going to evaporate and it goes back up. So that's going to be number 5, okay? And then the thin fog-like clouds that we discussed, being the detail, is going to be number 6. Okay, so then what's our next cloud?
Oh, the Nimbus cloud.
Not-
Nimbus.
Not nimbus, not yet. There's one after
The nimbus. Nimbus.
There's one before Nimbus, though.
This?
There's one before Nimbus. You'll need to go back to the other page. Let me make sure this is recording.
Oh, hang
Yeah.
on, I got it.
Yes, Marcus.
Cumulus.
Oh, wait.
Let him answer. No answer was that.
There's some clouds are black and very close.
Starts with a C, and Ari did say it.
Yes.
Oh, Connor's cloud.
Mm-hmm. Cumulus, okay? You guys, here's our cumulus. This one is my favorite, okay? So,
That looks like a tornado forming.
doesn't it? So this would be number 7.
It
Okay.
looks like Twister.
How do we describe our cumulus clouds? Marcus?
It looks flat on the bottom, but it's huge on top.
Yes. You guys,
It's
fluffy white. So if you see clouds that are very fluffy, they don't even have to be this close to the earth, but just very fluffy up in the sky
I see that.
is considered cumulus,
Wait,
okay?
I see a person laying down. Like I see this is the mustache and there's another, and then like his whole body's just laying down.
No bunnies, no animals.
No, I want to see.
No, but there is a it looks like he's laying down.
Sit down.
Wait, I want to.
That's why.
Oh.
Sit down. You guys, you have to stay in your seat, okay? We're videotaping, all right? Okay, stay with me. I know you're enjoying the visuals, and I enjoy that. I know. Okay, now, as we're moving on, okay, the next one. Here, I got to fix this. What's our next one? Our next cloud. Nimbus. That's a good nimbus, okay? All right, you guys, I think you're going to like the picture.
Can I go to the next one?
No. When you ask the answer, no.
I already know.
Then why'd you ask?
Just asking.
Okay,
Oh.
Nimbus is number 9 in our card period.
A tornado was one.
All right,
This
what's
is
the
my favorite.
okay? Yes, very fun. Okay, kind of scary.
From Twister.
All right.
From Twister.
This is what you would think of. All right, Marcus, what is our Nimbus card? Cloud. Sorry.
Some clouds are black and gray
Mhm.
can form dark skies in the pitch rain.
All right, very good. Okay, so Nimbus is going to be dark and gray and
Inside
rainy.
of the movie Twister,
It's giving movie.
you can see the Nimbus clouds
What?
multiple times.
Yes, you can.
It's giving tornado.
Yes, you
Oh
can.
my God! A tornado was forming.
Okay, with all this great information, you guys, we are going to write a summary together. So keep your paper right there. What's our first sentence? I like to start off with a question to summarize. Marcus, what are you
Do
thinking?
you know the different clouds in the sky?
Okay, so do you know the different
The difference.
types of clouds in the sky? Okay, all right, so,
Okay.
yeah,
To fix one error, please tab.
there we go. You gotta love it, okay? No,
Oh, that's weird.
There you go.
Why did you?
yeah.
Did you know?
Now remember, I'm typing and talking, so there's going to be some grammar, okay? Maybe some mistakes, but we'll go back and edit it, okay?
Okay.
All right, next one, that's our introduction, okay? We need to talk about our first type of cloud, which is the cirrus cloud. So what's going to be our sentence, Ezra?
Well, for starters, the cirrus cloud is a curly white cloud made of drops of ice.
Okay, there we go. So, cirrus cloud is made of drops of ice. Okay, so, well, I think it's going to tell us to put a comma. For starters, the cirrus clouds are made of drops of ice. Wait a minute. I think I forgot to put, what did I forget to add about the cirrus clouds?
Wait.
I think I forgot to add something else about them. Something about them being cloudy.
Oh, it was
Yeah, Marcus.
serious cloud are hundreds of feet over the earth.
Okay, there they are. Okay, so cirrus clouds are hundreds of feet, and they're going to be curly. Okay, so try to do too much. Curly.
Nay, you sound like my mom typing.
Yeah. There's a lot going on.
because
Okay.
whenever I do have something,
Uh-huh.
whenever I do have my keyboard and I'm on my game and texting to them, this is
Mhm.
her. Ooh, what do you need me to type? I'm like this, and this is her.
Okay, next one. Sorry, I gotta move on, Ezra.
Okay.
What's our next cloud, you guys? Okay. Oh, Ezra? Alright, you're gonna do the last one, okay?
Alright. Wait, no.
Stratus.
Stratus clouds.
Stratus clouds, okay? Alright, so since you helped me out with the first one,
It's gonna be.
I want to have another student help me with the stratus clouds, okay?
Wait, there's
Okay.
3 on here and there's 3 kids.
Yeah, there is. Marcus, how would you do your sentence for stratus clouds?
Stratus clouds. After the sun sets and they dissolve into stratus clouds. That's it. It goes on to nimbus clouds.
Yeah, I think it's on the first page, stratus clouds.
Yeah, that's
So it's mentioned there, but then it's mentioned again. Oh, right here. That's our fog ones. Yep.
stratus clouds are move 100 feet in the air.
Okay.
That's for the stratus clouds.
Oh, is it? Okay. Now, how would you do a sentence about stratus clouds?
The stratus cloud from just 100 feet over the earth. They are in the fog clouds that are see early in the morning or late at night.
Okay. All right. You're off on that. Okay.
Marcus is super good because
Alright.
because I didn't even know that you could see stratus clouds
I
at
know.
night.
I know.
He just knows.
Okay. So I put stratus clouds are fog-like clouds that are close to the ground and seen in the morning or late at night. Okay. All right. So then that takes us to our next one, cumulus. Okay. Who's gonna help me with our sentence
Ari.
for cumulus? I was gonna have Ari do the nimbus since that was her favorite. Okay. So Ezra, then we're gonna go back and forth, gentlemen.
Cumulus.
Yes, cumulus. What do we got?
Okay. The third one. The third cloud is cumulus. Cumulus clouds are the fluffy white clouds that float across the sky on a bright summer day. They move about a mile over the earth and cast shade on the ground. These clouds can have many shapes.
Gotcha. All right. Now you're supposed to aim for 100 words.
Roll it over and over.
So I couldn't type all of that, but I think I got most of it. It says the third cloud or third type of cloud is the cumulus cloud.
How much words do we have?
Okay, I'll tell you in a minute.
There's
Yes.
a huge space in the middle.
Yeah, there is. Okay, and then we're gonna say which is the fluffy white cloud that floats across the sky on a bright summer day. Okay. All right. Now.
But why only there?
Yeah, I know. All right, Ari. Okay, nimbus clouds. How are we gonna do our sentence for our last cloud? Our last cloud, honey.
If you don't want to do it, I can.
Nimbus. This is the dark rainy cloud.
That looks like a tornado. Is about to form.
There are dark clouds. Nimbus clouds are the dark rain clouds. They are brimming with water that turns into rain.
What would be our transition word? How could we start the sentence since we're talking about our fourth type of cloud?
The nimbus clouds are dark.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Marcus, look at the end.
Mm-hmm.
And gray.
Mm-hmm.
And they are dark green clouds.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna put rainy clouds. Okay. All right. You guys, how are we gonna conclude our
Period.
sentence?
Oh wait.
Got the period?
I
Okay.
got-
Marcus, how are we gonna conclude?
In conclusion, there are many different types of clouds,
Mm-hmm.
but either one are truly matters.
Okay, so in conclusion, there are many, I'm only gonna put many once since we may
Yeah,
be over our
actually.
numbers, so many types of clouds.
But
Mm-hmm.
we still love them no matter what.
No matter how many there are, right?
We need those.
I'm gonna put, we still love all of them, okay? And then let me put a comma here. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, love them all. Okay, dark
How much?
gray, rainy clouds. All right, lady and gentlemen.
How many words?
Yeah, good question.
I think there's only.
What do you think?
100%.
Wait, no, let me do
100?
that.
You think?
No, I'm just reading what it said. 100% up there.
I got you. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I have to highlight it because I have other paragraphs on this page. We're going to go to word count in our Google Doc. You guys, we have 92 words. We're under 100.
And we have 520 characters.
Okay, that's, yeah. Remember, there's other stuff on this page, so. Okay, all right, so that's how you would summarize a story using the cards, okay? Very good, you guys, very good. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead and stop the video real quick.
How did you?